Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to generate multiple scenes OpenArt. This is a great workflow if you want to turn one visual idea into a full sequence, create a stylized montage, or make different shots feel like they belong in the same video. We'll walk through a simple workflow in OpenArt that uses an image for style and a reference video for motion, so you can produce a cohesive, multi-scene result with just a few clicks. The image helps guide the look, while the video helps guide how the scenes move, transition, and flow together. Start by heading to the OpenArt website and opening the suite. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and open the media section. This is your personal library. Everything you've uploaded or generated lives here. So if you already have style images, character references, or video clips saved in your account, this is where you'll find them. Find the image you want to use as your visual anchor and click it to open. Picking a strong reference image here helps lock in the style, character look, or art direction you want to carry through your scenes. For example, if you want a cinematic fantasy look, choose an image with strong lighting, clear colors, and the kind of mood you want the final video to follow. With the image open, choose Modify Video. This tool applies your selected image as a guiding style while transforming motion from a video source, which is exactly what we need for multiple scenes that feel consistent. Instead of generating random clips, this helps the output stay connected to one visual direction. Next, open Reference Video. This is where you connect the motion driver that shapes pacing, cuts, and transitions. Click Upload Media and select a video from your device. Your reference video can be a simple clip, a short montage, or footage with different camera movements that you want OpenArt to follow. Short, well-lit clips in common formats tend to work best. Aim for clear subject movement and distinct scene changes. Even a single clip with varied shots can produce a multi-scene output. For better results, avoid overly shaky footage, very dark clips, or videos where the subject is hard to see, because the AI needs clean motion information to follow. After selecting, let the upload finish before moving on. Processing indicators are your friend here. If you start adjusting settings before the upload is complete, the tool may not properly read the video, so give it enough time to fully load. Once uploaded, make sure video is selected as the source. This confirms you're feeding OpenArt moving footage rather than a still. If you see multiple assets, double-check you've highlighted the correct clip. This is important because choosing the wrong file can completely change the motion, pacing, and final result. Now, craft your prompt. Think of it as your creative direction. Describe the style you want from the image: cinematic, watercolor, comic, realistic, plus the mood, lighting, and any camera vibes like slow dolly, handheld, or sweeping aerial. You can also mention details like dramatic shadows, soft golden light, futuristic city mood, fantasy atmosphere, or clean product commercial style. If your video includes several moments or locations, nudge the system with phrasing like cohesive multi-scene montage, dynamic transitions, or consistent character across shots. This tells OpenArt that you want the output to feel connected from scene to scene, instead of looking like separate random clips. Keep it clear and concise. Strong nouns and adjectives go a long way. Instead of writing a very long prompt, focus on the most important details: style, mood, subject, motion, and consistency. When your prompt feels solid, click Generate. OpenArt will cue the job, apply your image's look to the reference video's motion, and render the result into multiple stylized scenes. At this point, your image, video, and prompt all work together. So a strong setup usually gives you a cleaner final output. Processing time varies with length and complexity, so let it run. When it's done, preview the output from start to finish. Watch how the style carries across scenes, how smooth the transitions feel, and whether the motion still matches your reference video. If something feels off, maybe the style is too strong or not strong enough, tweak your prompt wording and generate again until it matches your vision. You can try making the prompt more specific, changing the reference image, using a cleaner video, or asking for more consistent character details across shots. That's it. You've used an image for style, a video for motion, and a clear prompt to generate multiple scenes in OpenArt quickly and consistently. Once you get comfortable with this workflow, You can use it for music videos, cinematic AI edits, storytelling clips, social media content, product scenes, or any project where you want.